Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. In the last video, I talked to you about how the different kinds of dyes are done on ajrak and on different fabrics on ajrak. And this time I wanted to talk to you about how those dyes actually come out very differently on different kinds of fabrics. So let me first tell you, when the block printers do the printing, they do the prints. Let's say they're putting in the white block that you see on all the different kinds of colors. That white block is done with a resist. However, when you're putting in the block, the outline actually shows to be black. So until the last stage, until the drying stage, the block printer actually does not know how the sari or the fabric is going to turn out, if the printing has been done properly or not, or if there's any defect, they won't know. So once the printing is done, then they put the fabric for drying, whether it's through brush or in the container. And once the fabric is brought out, it's put for drying, and that's when they come to know of any of the patches or the spots or light or dark block printing. And that is why it's very important to keep ajrak a slow printing process, because as soon as you fasten it up, the amount of defects or the amount of patches increase. Now when you try it with different kinds of newer fabrics, when you try it with pure silks, the colors are much more muted, and that's because of the property of the fabric. I'll show you how. I don't happen to have a green cotton one, but I'll show you a comparison between green in a Banarsi modal that we have and a green in the mulberry silk that I recently launched. So you see, the entire color is absolutely different. Nobody is going to believe me if I were to tell a layman that these two dyes are absolutely similar. Nobody is going to believe me. And the major difference in this color is because of indigo. In the last video, I told you about how green is a two-step process, where the first dye is indigo and the second is yellow. So you see how this is a deep bottle green, while this is more of a lighter leafy green. And I'll tell you why. So you have this, which is indigo in mulberry silk, which is pure silk, and this, which is indigo in modal. Let me remind you that modal is not a silk fabric. Modal is a rayon-like fabric with a satin weave, which gives it the luster and the flow of a silky fabric. However, when you go on to test modal, there are no silk threads, so it does not come out of silkworms. It's not taken from any of the silkworms there are. Modal is not a silk, it's more of a satin fabric, but because of the luster that it has been popularized as silk. So you see, indigo on modal is a deep indigo. You actually see blue. However, when you go for the same indigo dye with the same process, same amount of mordant, same amount of indigo dye, everything is the same, the color is this. Your reds are more muted to be peachish and orangish. Blacks are more dull. The cream takes on a little bit of the reddish tone to it, so it's more cream as compared to these. Now same colors on indigo. I didn't have an indigo with red, so I'm showing you an indigo with the green block. You'll see the difference here as well. The blue on the modal is the best fabric to take on any kind of dye, any kind of color. Colors appear the brightest on modal. So you'll see the blue on the modal is brighter than the blue on the cotton, which is still much brighter than the blue on the mulberry silk. The blue on the mulberry silk is actually more of a grayish tone. You'll see the block colors are also brighter on cotton and modal as compared to mulberry. Now when you use this kind of blue and dip it in yellow, the green comes out like this. It's a different shade of green compared to the bottle green that you're used to seeing on modal or cotton. Now I'll show you another color which actually came out beautifully, but completely different to how we expected, and that's the madder. So madder, or the rusty red on modal Banarasi, is this. You've got the deep maroonish kind of hue on this, the same matter on cotton is very rusty. You still have the deep maroon hue, but a different kind of shade. The block colors are different and the base matter dye is different. Now when you see the exact same matter dye done in exact same weather conditions, exact whatever conditions that could be controlled were controlled, and when you get that on mulberry silk, it is this. Now, would you believe me, had I not told you about the processes, would you believe me that all three of them are the same dyes? Probably not. Probably I probably wouldn't have believed myself. However, this peachish hue is because of the fabric itself. When madder comes on to mulberry silk fabric, certain components are absorbed more as compared to the others, and that's why the hues on the fabric are much different compared to the others. So this was your madder. Now you have yellow. Yellows are still not as different as the others, but you'll still see a difference in shade. So this you have is a more brighter yellow as compared, because this is the mulberry silk. On the modal silk, it's a little more mustard, little more golden. And on the cotton, maybe you could call it a mixture of both. You will still see the differences in the dye colors that come out on both all three cotton, modal and the mulberry. In this case, I would probably say the yellow came out actually beautifully on the mulberry, since it's quite brighter than we expected as compared to the other colors. However, the shade difference again is entirely just because of the fabric composition. The last color I would like to focus on is black. So this was our black from mulberry silk. You see on black, the bluish block has came out to be steely gray. The red has come out to be very maroonish kind of purplish kind of shade, and the black is also charcoaly black instead of your deep black hue that you see on cotton. I didn't happen to have a cotton modal black sari. However, on cotton with this greenish block, you will see how different these shades are. Would you believe these two are the same shades? Probably not. But under the same conditions, this is how the fabrics react to the black dye. Definitely this has a second process involved, since I've told you about this before as well, that sometimes you can also dip a black sari, block printed black sari into a yellow dye, and it will give you a bit more of a yellowish tone to all the blocks. And that's a color that we tried in our Parampara series, and I really do hope you've seen that. You can scroll back and see that. But when you compare the base colors of different kinds of fabrics, even within pure silks, when we launched our tussar silk saris, the tussar madder color is much different to this, as you've seen before. So in general, natural dyes will always, first off, natural dyes are easier to catch on to natural fabrics as compared to polyester or synthetic fabrics. You can dye polyester or synthetic fabrics with natural dyes. However, the moderns needed much more chemical and synthetic in nature, since you need them to be stronger as compared to for natural fabrics. Now, on natural fabrics, each of the dye will react differently to different kinds of fabrics, whether it's silk, cotton, or a different kind of satin or whatever. But they'll react differently, and it will also depend on the atmospheric conditions. So if you were to ask me to recreate this exact sari in this exact shade, I would have to apologize and tell you no, because of the fact that I know how difficult it is to recreate the exact same shade, and how much more hard work it is to actually copy the exact same shade for my karigar. It gives me no creative freedom. It gives me no confidence that yes, it will be done. And why do I want to copy the exact same thing when the karigar has the freedom to do whatever he wants in whatever designs, in whatever colors? So I really do hope this video helped you give a bit more visual idea of how the colors differ across the different kinds of fabrics, and maybe help you appreciate the different colors that you see in pure silks and pure cottons more. Thank you.